day everyone, my name is Irish Manuel. Today we will talk about time management. I'm going to talk about something that affects all of us, time management. As a student, we often feel like there's never enough time in a day between our schoolwork, project, social life, and rest. It can be challenging to balance everything. But with good time management, we can become more productive, less stressed, and more successful. Time management simply means planning and organizing how to divide your time between different activities. It helps us focus on what really matters. When we manage our time well, we avoid cramming, meet deadlines, and still have time to relax. There are several key strategies for effective time management. Number one, clear goals. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve each day, week, or month. Having specific goals give direction and purpose. Number two, make a schedule. Use a planner, calendar, or even your phone to list your tasks. Set priorities. Do the most important task first. Third, avoid procrastination. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin now. Procrastination wastes time and adds unnecessary stress later. For the last, take a break. It's okay to rest. Short break help your mind recharge so you can stay focused longer. For example, if you have a big project, you can divide it into smaller tasks. Research on day 1, write on day 2, and revise on day 3. This way, the work feels lighter and more organized. Time management is not about doing more, it's about doing things smarter. When we plan ahead, set priorities, and use our time wisely, we can achieve our goals without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, time is one of our most valuable resources, and once it's gone, we can never get it back. So let's all start time management better, beginning today. Thank you for listening.